So hello guys, welcome to my video. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to get 9mobile 1 GB for 150 naira. Yes, and it lasts for 1 month. You can also buy other plans like 2 GB for 300 naira and so on. And at the same time, I'm still going to be showing you a little secrets on how to be making money by reselling data. Yes, as a data agent. Yes, you'll be selling data and electricity bill, NECO, WAEC pin, so much more. So before further ado, let's get going. First of all, you head over to Play Store and search for the app Amkdata. Amkdata. After you search for it, you click on the link. As you can see, this app, this icon over here, this one, this Amkdata as under ASO Business Venture. It's so easy that you are going to use. You are going to open it. After it, you wait for it to load. Then you register and sign up. But I've already registered my account, so I'm just going to open directly. So after that, this is what your dashboard will look like. You can see there's airtime, mobile data, TV payment, electricity bill, educational pin, mega data. This mega data, they are data that you buy and they don't expire. As you can see, no expiring date, but it's only available for MTN. So but in this video I'm going to show you how to get 150 for 1 GB on 9mobile. So let's go straight forward. You can see other plan, buy it for education. So we'll click on mobile data. This is a mobile data here. We'll click on it. This is a mobile data here. So we'll click on it. After I click on it, we'll choose which network. You see MTN, corporate, Airtel. So you scroll and look for 9mobile corporate data. It's over here. So you click on it. Then you click over here to kindly choose available plan. After that, you see the plans. So this is what I'm talking about. 500 megabytes for 92 naira, 1 GB for 178, 2 GB for 356, and they all last for 30 days. Yes, if you buy it, even though you are not the type that do stream online, yes, you can buy it for, and you can use it for a business without having to worry about getting it expire soon. So you click on the plan. So I'm going to click on the 1 GB for 178. Then you put your number. When you input your number, then you put your transaction pin. The transaction pin will be the pin you created while registering. Yes, I also did a video on how to register on this app, fund, and do some other transactions. Yes, so because this app has many features. Yes, for example, if you subscribe data for someone and maybe due to network issue the person didn't receive it, I mean maybe you mistakenly bought a 9mobile data for a glow line. Yes, there's a button that you can use to process it. I did a video. I'll put the video link in my description below on how to use the app. So let's get going. You put your pin, the pin created when registering the account. So then you click on buy now. You click on the OK button. Then you wait for it to load. Mine actually not going to work because as you can see my balance is not up to it. You see, and the recipient number also is invalid, and my balance is not even up to it. Yes, over here. So the app has many features. Just to make the video very short, you can also withdraw your fund over the button over here. Yes, you just click on the withdraw button, you choose your bank, then you input your account number, The thing I like about this app is that everything is automated. Even the withdrawal, immediately you place your withdrawal, within 2 to 3 minutes, the money is going to land in your bank account. Not like you have to wait for the admin or the owner of the app to check in and transfer the money to your account. No, everything is automated. Yes, so I'm going to show you a list of chart of me performing VTU. Like that, I was buying data for one of my clients. Yes, you can make money with it. So I'm not going to pause it and switch over to WhatsApp instantly. So as you see, this is the first time I contacted this guy. Yes, he always buy 5 gigabytes. So anytime he always buy it every day, and anytime I do subscription for him, I get 300 naira. I know, sorry, I get 500 naira per transaction. Yes, I charge him 1,400, but I always get it as 1,000 naira. So let me scroll down. These are our charts. You can see. I'm going to just make it fast, just to hide my all my important document. This is it. This is it. These are it. These are it. It's very long. So